How to leverage debt to create wealth. Hello and welcome to another episode of Financial Fitness. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many people find confusing and often avoid: debt. Debt is not necessarily bad, it's how you use it that matters. That's right. Debt is not necessarily bad. In fact, when used correctly, it can be a powerful tool for creating wealth. Leveraging debt, using borrowed funds to buy investments or assets that will generate more income or profits than the cost of the debt. Leveraging debt is the practice of using borrowed money to purchase investments or assets that will generate more income or profits than the cost of the debt. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine a person borrows $100,000 to purchase a rental property. The rental property generates $1,000 in monthly rental income, while the cost of the debt is $500 per month. In this scenario, the person has $500 in positive cash flow every month. There are several advantages to leveraging debt. 1. It allows you to invest in assets that you otherwise couldn't afford. 2. It helps you to diversify your investment portfolio. 3. It generates passive income, which can help you achieve financial freedom. 4. It can also help you to increase your net worth over time. Of course, there are also some disadvantages to leveraging debt. 1. It increases your debt burden, which can be stressful. 2. It increases your risk, as the investment may not perform as expected. 3. It can also limit your financial flexibility, as you have to make debt payments each month. In conclusion, leveraging debt can be a powerful tool for creating wealth, but it's important to use it wisely. Before taking on debt, make sure you have a solid investment plan and understand the risks involved. And remember, it's always best to consult with a financial advisor to make sure you're making the best decisions for your financial future. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Stay financially fit, and I will see you in the next video.